guys, welcome to our channel Technical Neel for you. I am Neel Kamal and today we learn how to download English for General Competitions from Plinth to Paramount by Neetu Singh. Guys, first of all open Google and type here Z Library. Guys, Z Library is such a world largest ebook library. Guys, click on books link. If you want to download articles, click on articles, and here you can also sign up, and after signing you can download 10 books every day. Guys, click on search, general search, and type here English for General Competition and search. Have a look here guys, lots of links display on your screen. If you want to download, click on particular link. Here I click on English for General Competitions from Plinth to Paramount, and here the description of book. Click on download. Download is on. Similarly, you can download so many books here guys. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel guys. Lots of books are available for a student who is preparing general competitions. Have a look here guys, download is completed. Very nice book guys. If you are preparing for general competitions, this English book is very beneficial for you. Have a look here guys, this is the content of your book. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें